Blankie's alive! Mommy! Sasha? Don't you remember me? Wanna play?
Stella, are you in there?
Fly. Fly. It was so dark and I'm so scared.
Don't cry, Stella. It's okay. Hey, check it out. Isn't that cool?
Suddenly the world's upside down. New adventures all around. Suddenly I'm feeling so high, I could almost cry. Suddenly I'm breaking the spell. No more hiding in a shell. Suddenly I'm all out of doubt. Wanna shout it out. Suddenly the world's upside down. New adventures all around. Suddenly I'm feeling so high, I could almost cry.
Stella? Fly?
Here I... Oh, man.
We don't have time for jokes.
Chuck? What are you looking for?
You know what? I finally figured you out, Chuck. I can see right through you.
When you're through making wisecracks, maybe you can help me find the antidote.
The what? The antidote? What do you mean find the antidote? Chuck, what happened?
The storm got worse. And the boat sank.
What?
I can't swim.
Why didn't you say so before?
I had to drink the potion. The antidote sank. And I turned into...
I think you're cute.
What about the professor?
He was in the water. I think he sank too.
Drowned?